Struggling to stand up in water? That panicky feeling of tipping backwards? What if I told you the secret isn't in your feet at all? It's in your hands. One simple move changes everything. Stay with me. Hey there. Have you ever found yourself in water, maybe just a little out of your depth, and when you try to put your feet down, it's all just panic? Arms flailing, that horrible feeling of tipping backwards, swallowing a bit of water? It's not just you. In fact, it's one of the most common fears for new swimmers. But today, we're breaking a major story. Standing up in water doesn't have to be a struggle. We're going to uncover the simple, almost secret technique that changes everything. Consider this your personal news bulletin for confidence. For years, the standard advice has been just put your feet down. Groundbreaking, right? But that's like telling someone to just fly a plane. It misses the how. The critical failure point is our instinct. When we're floating or swimming, our body is horizontal. Our instinct is to lift our head up first to breathe, which immediately makes our heavy legs sink like stones, throwing us completely off balance. It's physics, and it's working against you. Here's the revolutionary shift. The key isn't in your feet at all at first. It's in your hands. Your hands are your steering wheels, your anchors, your secret weapon. So let's go through the three-step sequence that feels more like a calm rearrangement than a frantic fight. Imagine you're floating on your front, face in the water, nice and relaxed. Step 1, the gather. Don't try to move your head or legs yet. Simply, smoothly draw your hands back along your sides, like you're gathering water towards your hips. This small action begins to subtly bring your body toward a more vertical position. Step 2, the press. This is the magic move. Once your hands are near your hips, press your palms down towards the bottom of the pool, as if you're pushing down on an invisible underwater table. This downward force does two incredible things. First, it naturally lifts your head and shoulders clear of the water, so you can take a breath without rushing. Second, and most importantly, it tucks your legs underneath you, just like a sinking seesaw. Your legs will want to drop vertically. Step 3. The step. Only now do your feet enter the story. With your body nearly vertical from the press, you can simply place one foot, then the other, firmly on the bottom. You are in complete control, balanced and breathing easily. Think of it not as standing up, but as pressing yourself down into a standing position. You're using the water's resistance to your advantage. This isn't just a tip, it's a fundamental rewiring of a survival instinct. Practice this in chest-deep water where you can safely reach the bottom. Start from a gentle float, try the gather and press, and feel how your legs obediently follow. Do it 10 times, 20. Make it a new muscle memory. The big takeaway today? The water isn't your enemy. Your sequence was just a little off. By leading with your hands, you take back control. You replace panic with procedure. So go on, be your own news anchor and report this breakthrough firsthand. Your journey from nervous beginner to confident water lover starts with one simple press. See you in the water.